takes a lot of it to be a runner.
You going to the track?
Absolutely not. I got my own special place.
What are you doing?
What the hell does it look like I'm doing? These are coaching shoes.
Coaching shoes. Right.
Down to the big white ship, you turn left, that's your first interval. You get 1 minute's rest, okay? Then the next quarter mile. And you go all the way around these docks. All the way, come here. Now, see the pole with the sign on it?
Mm-hmm.
That's 1 square mile to the inch, right there. All right?
All right.
Start at the cleat. Okay?
It's retarded.
Go.
How's that sound?
Don't worry about it.
Is that 50?
Not that fast. Look. You got 1 minute to rest. Hurry. Slow down. Look over the shoulder back. Focus on each quarter. Pace yourself.
Quarter what?
Mile.
Who's going on the mile?
You.
No, I run the 400.
Listen. You want a scholarship. You want to go to college? But you run the mile. The mile's your race. You run it fast enough. You can go anywhere you want. Get back on the line. Focus on each quarter.
Hey, I just
Get
told you.
back on the line. Now. You average 67. That's not bad.
I'm dying. I'm dying.
You're not even close. You gotta run these in 58. All 10 in exactly 58.
Oh my God, this is so bad. Oh, everything hurts. Oh.
That's what's holding you back. It's the pain. You gotta learn to overcome it. You gotta embrace it. You gotta run through it. Then you can let it go.
Run for it, right? Run for it. Run for it. I'm dying.
God, you're aggravating to be around sometimes. Jeez.
Washington.
1 minute mile.
True.